Question number 2 is, did you change jobs? And if you did, there's an understanding that there are going to be multiple W-2s that need to be incorporated into your return. And as a part of a job change occasionally is, did you roll over an old retirement plan, either into your new 401k, into a rollover IRA? Whatever that account landed into, you want to make sure that while the event in and of itself is not taxable, it is something that they're going to issue a tax form, a 1099-R typically, and that does need to be carried through onto your tax return.
These documents could have been created by tax planning maneuvers that you did in 2021, like a Roth conversion, right? Or a backdoor Roth contribution / conversion. Could have been a tax loss harvesting that created, that shows up on your 1099 that you could use with specific, maybe individual stocks you've had in your account, or qualified charitable distributions if you're over 70, right? Those don't always show up on a 1099 from a custodian. So important to keep everything in order there and let your preparer know when you're getting those documents together.
Start collecting your charitable receipts or going through old transactions to capture charitable giving you made throughout the year. Gather property tax payments that you made either for your primary home or perhaps for your numerous vehicles you may have. Estimated tax payments. So if you're making quarterly estimated tax payments, start to jot those down if you haven't already. And that's going to be something that's important to incorporate onto your return. Child and dependent care receipts. So you may get a letter from your child's care provider that outlines how much you paid throughout the year. If not, you want to start to capture those expenses that you paid, because that will be something you can incorporate onto your return. And then lastly is those business and rental expenses. So hopefully you've been diligently capturing that throughout the year. If not, maybe this is a good reminder that it is something you should be a little bit more diligent about throughout the year capturing, so that it's just easier to gather.